Hi, this is Verdiana with expertvillage.com, and we are talking about how to take care of your wig. And previously we mentioned washing it and filling up a sink or a basin full of water. Once you've done that, you want to get some wig shampoo. It's specially designed to help condition and wash the fiber so that it doesn't break it down as normal shampoo would. So you want to go either to the accessory shop or to any of your other local wig store to purchase a shampoo that's specifically made for your wig or for wigs so that it helps the synthetic hair. You want to use probably just about a tablespoon of shampoo in the basin or sink. You don't want too much shampoo because you don't want to have soapy hair. So just a little bit will work. We'll wash out all the dirt and the grime and make it nice and clean for you again.